slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life a vivid sheen, my funded futures light the way.
Hey, good evening, everybody. I'm Stephen Kalayjian, and welcome to My Funded Futures. Go USA, men's soccer! Go USA. I bet you there'll be nobody even here tonight. Here you go. I bet you, yeah, we gotta, let me have that pot. That thing's a mess. Organize that. All that's been emailed and everything?
Yeah.
All right, let's send these out, okay? Anything is his visit, let me know. Just send it. Hey, what's up, everybody? Good evening, good evening, good evening. All right. 2 days in a row, I bet gold under 4,000. And 2 days, over. And 2 days, gold was under 4,000. How is everybody? Cheesy Pepperoni, David, Barbie, how are you? Everybody, LL. Boy, Tony Gold, what's going on? Here's a new one here. Panos, how are you? Investing Bell, another new one here. Ivy League Trading, another new person. Great. Nice to be Brad Allen from Toronto. See? I don't forget. Okay? What else? Who else we got here today? All right. Vanessa, Danny Trades, Sanyo, My Way Trading. How are you? Nice to meet you. Jungle Jamboree, how are you? And there's a famous Linda NQ, AEM, Planetaurus, the ICT Void. I don't know if we've ever seen him before. And Anton Lop, Kalo, Spyro's here, Chicken Trader. They're all coming on board here. All right. They're all coming on board. All right. Scott Cunningham. Oh, thank you, Scott Cunningham. Yep. Polimoto. Dave Tampkin. Hey, Dave. Hey, David. How are you? All right. So, go USA, Pac-Man. That's what I say. MSK, Chicken Trader. Right. Aaron, I can't see. Am I missing something here? How many? Top of the chat. Am I missing something here? Missing. There you go. That's what I'm looking for. All right. How is everybody here today? All right. S&Ps, NASDAQ. Man, they got kabooshed at the end of the day. Absolutely kabooshed. Kabooshed. Yes, sir. I hope everybody had a great weekend. And I just want to say some, I hope everybody has a great day today. We got a nice weekend coming up. Okay, nice weekend coming up. Okay. Have a nice... All right. Boy, oh boy, nothing's moving here tonight. I might have to tell a bunch of stories. Bear Trader, The Good. How are you? FOFF. Oh, come on. Henny's home. All right. Henny's home. If this NASDAQ gets a push above the 30,065.70, I think it's a short up there. If it's up there. All right, gold. Look at this. Nothing's happening. Chalk Trades. Chalk Trades. How are you? P. Peralta. Oh boy, kabooshed. There they go. The prior bar was the one, 33, 34. All right, S&P is getting kabooshed. Absolutely. Well, I tried to give him, hey, Luke, I tried to give him some carrots and string beans. He looked at me like I was crazy. Wow, okay, that's great. 5Gs, no problem. That's awesome. All right, NASDAQ's going to break 30,000 here, looks like here. You're a negative on all 3 time frames. Really great bear flag at, whoa, Nelly. Yes, sir. All right, thought we get a push up to 65 gold. Unbelievable. Is he in there? Pulisic, get in there. Pulisic, is that how you say it? Pulisic?
Pulisic, yeah.
Pulisic. Whoa, Nasdaq. I'd buy this Nasdaq here anywhere between the 40 and 80 range. Here we go, 40 and 80. S&P's 19 to 25. Gold's finished. All right. Yes, sir. I think you can just take a scalp long here. You're making new lows, non-confirmation on the 15s, but we'll see. Carbs and meat, no vegetables, Sahani. Really? Carbs and meat? Well, they told me he has to lose 5 pounds. So I actually lifted him this morning. I lifted him into the car twice. I thought I was gonna have a heart attack, right? Yeah, I like that. Man, that guy's fast. That guy is fast. Hey, Jeff. Yeah, well, they said very limited walking, not super crazy walking, but limited walking. And what a day. Nice to be here. Hey, Bryce, how are you? Brave day, how are you? S&P's, NASDAQ, I'd be scaling out alongs here. There you go. Nice little long there on the NASDAQ, 75, out. S&P's, NASDAQ, out. Could I show non-confirmation? Sure. Let's see, a non-confirmation. Okay, let me see. Gotta be off the 60-minute time frame. Let me just put the NASDAQ back up here. Sorry, I thought I had the NASDAQ up. You want to see a non-confirmation? I'll show you a non-confirmation. Right here. See this push up here? You overbought into a negative MACD, rising ADX. That's one. If you look at the 60-minute time frame right here, here's the 60. You can see here, once the MACDs went negative, look at this monster bear flag right here. Okay, I'm just trying to find a non-confirmation here. Oh, I think I have one here. Let me just see. Oh. Uh-oh. Internet went down. Order execution. Can anybody hear me? 14. All right, gold's getting... Can anybody hear me? I don't know. I can do Appleist discipline trades on demo. Can I take the same strategy? I have no idea what the hell that is. Tony, whatever you're on, send me a case. NASDAQ gets down to the 65 handle. Oh, just NASDAQ gets down to the 20 to 60 range. I will look to buy it again. These ADXs are rising. Okay, thank you. Hey, and please keep me up with the score for the USA game. That'd be really nice. You know, that'd be really nice. Bobby trades. I need 2 cases. Me too. Okay. Micron got cabooshed here. Bitcoin below 60,000. S&Ps, let's see here. Start scaling out above 25, 26. NASDAQ above 65, 75, 80. I'd be out. I would be out on the long. Okay, Tina, pull over. What did he say about Micron? Micron looks like it got cabooshed after hours. Sanders down another 20. What did he say, Papa Trump? He wrote a whole paragraph about it. Was a great company. They cabooshed it. I short some gold here, 52 up to 60. Look at the NASDAQ go. S&P's going. Again, you can see the NASDAQ had a buy divergence on the 15-minute time frame right here. Made new lows, non-confirmation. All right, gold just dropped about 3. I don't know if you get that. It might have been too fast. Morvid, how are you? Oh. Right. Hmm. Oh, sorry. No worries. There goes the NASDAQ right back up. S&Ps, that was a nice long there off the buy divergence. Okay. All right, tonight we're going to do the wheel. We're going to do the wheel. Okay. So when Aaron posts, please sign up. And the wheel's the wheel. Yeah, right here. You made new lows here, and the MACDs didn't confirm. Do you see that? Okay, right here. You see that, Jonathan Luciano? You see how the new low here, the MACD didn't confirm the low. I said it before we got in here. Okay, so I hope that Jennifer, get in there. Jennifer's going to be in there. All right, if this gold gets above the 52 and a half up to 60 and a half, 61, I look to take the short. No way. My way trading, no, absolutely not. So here, you see this here? I'll show you that. You want to see a non-confirmation? You want to see a monster sell divergence here? Look at gold on the 15-minute time frame. Oh my God, they exploded. I short the NASDAQ up here, 30, 20 up to like 50. S&Ps, 31 up to 37. Okay, you see here the negative MACD like this? When the 15 got overbought into the negative MACD, this was a monster, M-O-N-S-T-A, monster short in gold. Okay, a monster short in gold right here. Okay, making new highs, non-confirmation, right? Okay, you see that right there? So this is why you're looking at this here, all right? This is an overbought condition into a negative MACD. So let me show you what happened today. Look at the QQQs today here. The QQQs, all right, let me just teach you this one here. Reverse to sell on the 30-minute time frame right here. Okay? Okay? Look at this NASDAQ. Oh my God, 75 up to 38. So you should be 20 to 60 or 25 to 65 range. Okay? So you see the 30-minute time frame reversing to sell right here. Okay? And when the Qs reversed to sell, it correlated. NASDAQ looked to cover S&Ps. NASDAQ looked to cover between 15 and 25. S&Ps below 30 and a half. Okay? When the 30-minute time frame reversed to sell, it correlated with its 15-minute time frame as a sell disconnect. But when the 30-minute reversed to sell, okay, look at this. NASDAQ, what a short. And now, when the 30-minute reversed to sell, you also had to look at the continuous contracts, right? The 15, the 30, and the 60s were all in sell mode, all right? So if they were in sell mode, what is the next strategy you do? You short the first bounce on the 5 and the 15-minute time frame. Here it is. Okay, you could have shorted right here. Boom. What time is that? 3 o'clock, 3:15, right here. Pushed up 3:45 and got absolutely kabooshed. Is that my phone? I always drink water. Right here. Anybody short the NASDAQ or S&Ps? Oh my God, just dropped 50. Wow. Where's the bear? Ugh. The 100 handle long, what? On the obviously the NASDAQ? What time was that? 2:45? Yeah, because you, on that time period at 2:58, you were deeply oversold on the, where am I? You were deeply oversold on the 30-minute time frames. That's why. There you go, there you go. Come away my phone for a second. Not my phone or yours?
I've answered other phone.
Hmm? Okay. There you go. That's what I like to see. I think this gold's going to drop. Gold, we're short. Look to cover gold 51.5 to 54.5 range. Short NASDAQ and gold. Short NASDAQ. James, I called the short up there already. I said, stay motion free. So I'm trying to think of what time? 2:48. You said. Let's see. Right here. Right. Yeah. So if you look here. I just called the long off the significant deep oversold condition. Micron ran like, I don't know, something crazy. Like Micron ran like from 44 to 68. Intel ran 2. AMD. Look what AMD did. Look what AMD did. Are you crazy? Look what AMD did. I was buying AMD down here. Right here. Below 44. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. Look at what AMD did. Boom. 51 drops and boom. Finished. Yes, sir. Gotta get this gold to drop. Anybody have the score? Did the game start?
Yeah, game phone.
Play it. Put it on your phone.
I got you.
Crazy. What?
0-0.
0-0. Oh my God, Henny's eating sweet potato for the first time, Jim. It's sweet potato. He likes the sweet potato. I'm gonna get this gold to drop. See what we're gonna do here. That's it. The game started. Oh, he's not feeling better. I gotta. There's a long road here for him. Thank you, though. Um. Was a sweet potato. Oh my God, my boy. Here comes the gold dropping. Here comes the gold dropping. James Robertson, Jennifer, get in there. NASDAQ finished. Down 60 off the highs. S&P's down 7. Really? They don't eat wet food? They eat the dry stuff? No. If it gold, no. God, he likes sweet potatoes. Oh, my, he woofed it right down, my honey. My God, boy, Daddy loves you. Oh, my God, my honey loves sweet. Look at the gold, Jennifer. What a short. Anybody put a big W there if it was a win on the gold. Look at that. Caught the long on the NASDAQ, caught the long on the S&P, caught the short on the NASDAQ S&P, okay, and caught the short on the gold. Period. That's 5.
Show it on the chart.
Yeah. Okay, the gold? Oh, the NQ? So this is the NQ here. I gave this one off of the 15-minute buy divergence right here. You can see it, okay? The making the new low. And then when you got the push up like this into this negative MACD, the price is pushing up into a negative MACD, 40, and gets kabooshed. Look at that, 65. And then the gold here, right? Again, you're pushing up into the negative MACDs here on the 15, the 30, right here, okay? And the 60. So all divergences, okay? All divergences here. Let me see. What can I do here? Wow, look at all the W's. Hey, a lot of new people. 21 AJ, Gurris, 420, Arrow, Munch Trader. Where's the beef? Where's the moon? So many new Rods Trade. What's going on? I hope you guys signed up for the raffle. Robin, gameplay. It's a Picasso. I can't tell you how many people are using all the slangs. It's over. Get in there. Kabooshed. Kaboom. Right? What do you mean there's not another live? What the hell you think I am? Memorex? What are you, crazy? Kaboom. What else, Pac-Man? What other ones are there? Kaboom, kabooshed. So many of them. Put them in the bathroom. All right, let's see if they get another push up here. Bidding zero. Remember that? Bidding zero. Mm-hmm. Any score in the USA game? I'm sure you guys would have posted it. Short the pop? No, not yeah. You got to wait a little higher. I'm thinking Nasdaq about 80. All right, why are they buying them? What are they, crazy? What are they buying them for? We get the employment number tomorrow. All right, if this not still thinking if the S&Ps can get up to the Nasdaq can get up to the 65.70 handle, could be a short 65 up to like 05. Gold, you could look to short this gold again. 59 up to 66, 67. Jeff, how you doing, Jeff? All right. There goes the gold. S&Ps, I'm thinking 36 and a half, 7 up to 44. I don't know if you're gonna get that. Might be too high. But yeah, just see if we get one more push up there. This gold's dropping. Here we go on the gold. Gold, look to cover below 57 here if you're short on this push up. Just dropped about 3. Did the game start? Somebody said 0-0? No, that's not true. Divergences on new highs and new lows? No. No, Jonathan. I just showed you a gold, right? Yeah, there's divergences come in many. Hey, NQ Futures Talk. The divergences come in many different types, right? Still 0-0 P long. Got it. She's gonna run. She's gonna run for president. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Can you imagine? How many more emails you got? Put them out, right?
Yeah. And then context.
Hey, Abdel, how are you? Kabir? This money's printing in a legal way. Gold's dropping. All right. NASDAQ, bear flag. Goodbye. Hit 40. Bye-bye. S&Ps just dropped 3. Gold, bye-bye. NASDAQ and S&Ps, I would look to cancel the range, please. All right, there goes the gold dropping. I canceled it. Well, now it just popped again here. Hold on. Let's just wait. I'd probably go 37 up to 44. NASDAQ 65 up to the 05. Gold again 60 up to 67 on the gold. All right. Wow, look at the NASDAQ. 65 and right down. Boom. Oh, 60 and down. All right. That's gold. $68. Just dropped 20. Anybody get that short on this bear flag on the gold on the NASDAQ? Gold's dropping. S&Ps, Diego, did you get up? Did you get it, Diego? Anybody? This is a beautiful bear flag on the NASDAQ. I don't understand. You got a socialist in Colorado. I don't get it. What happened? Yeah. But just right now, my main concern is all the people to have a database.
Yeah.
And
So
then
All the sheets done.
I have like another 200. Okay, but and then
And then
these are
and the people that have dates next to them, they
okay. Like one guy.
to
No, just leave it.
okay,
Just-
yeah.
Minnesota canceled 4th of July and celebrated Somali Independence Day today. Wow. Wow, USA scored. Wow. Wow. Offsides.
Yeah, they just called it off.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I got the
Are you? Where's my phone? Let me see. Offsides.
if YouTube picks it up, they might.
Really?
Yeah.
Where's this being aired on?
Fox, San Francisco.
And if YouTube picks it up, they'll shut it off?
The audio, yeah.
Really? So they can know that fast?
Yeah, they're pretty good about it.
What is this? Russia?
Yeah.
Oh, this.
Oh, no, this is the vlog game.
Oh, this is live now. Yeah,
I
no.
thought it was a replay. My bad.
Nasdaq just dropped 25. Gold caboosed. No, just tomorrow now I'm going to bombard you. So get here at 7:45.
All right, sounds good.
But you have a list of everything then, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Be good. You too.
And I hope Henny feels better.
Thank you. Yeah,
course.
I know. I got to take good care of him. Sure. I'm trying to see if we get one more. That was offsides? Offsides. That's terrible. All right. My Henny's home. He has to rest. Unbelievable. What are they going to do here? All right, here we go. NASDAQ new highs 75, 78, up to 08. Now S&P's 38, 38 and a half, up to 44 and a half. Here we go. Here we go. Why are they rallying? I have no idea. Just rallied 100 off the lows. 100 off the lows. 100 off the lows. Aaron, you want to do a wheel spin, Aaron?
Yeah, we can do one.
Yeah. S&P, NASDAQ look to cover between 55 and 53 and 68 if you're short. We're going to do a spin wheel. All right. Aaron's going to show the wheel. I'll move it over here. I can see it. Okie dokie. Let's see the wheel.
Yeah, 1 second. I'm just switching it over.
Oh, sorry. All right.
All right, and then the spin wheel. Not why? Where is it? Sorry, trying to get it up. It's not doing what I wanted to do. 1 second. Okay.
All right, NASDAQ dropping. S&Ps look to cover 35, 37. All right, here's the
All
wheel.
right. All right, here we go.
Just
You ready?
spin it. I'm going to let the wheel do the talking tonight. And the winner is...
Didn't he win yesterday?
No. That was Wild Deuces yesterday.
No, it was
Deuce
Deuce leveraged. It was
leveraged. Deuce leveraged.
All right. Well, let's let me move this here so I can see if he's here. He did, yeah. All right.
Is he here?
He won yesterday. I was right.
Deuce leveraged?
Yes.
No,
Yep.
Wild Deuces, I thought you said.
No.
All right. Well, congratulations. It was a
Yep.
luck of the
All
draw.
right. Let's one more. We'll do one more.
We'll do one more. And
SEO for trading.
SEO for trading. SEO for trading. You know what? We'll mix it
All right.
up. SEO for trading. I know it's a casino.
Is he here? Is he here? Is he here?
Well, give him a minute. It's a delay. SEO for trading.
Oh, can't tag him. That means they're not here. Next.
Oh, that's
All
a
right.
shame. One more. What do you win? You win a rapid account. Omar HH.
Oh, he was here. SCO was trading. He was right there. Yeah.
Oh, he was? Oh,
Yep,
all right.
yep.
What do we do with this guy?
Well, here they're going. If they're here, Omaro, where are you?
Omara. He's here. There he is.
All right.
Omara.
There we go.
Okay. See how my funded futures? Aaron's got a soft spot. Aaron's got a soft spot tonight. Oh my God. What happened? You're breaking rank.
All right. Move it back over. Move it back over.
He's breaking rank. He's breaking rank. I don't know. I love it. But listen. All right.
All right. There you go.
All right. Next. Look at this gold drop. Look at the S&Ps drop. NASDAQ 75, 78. Whew. Wow, Nasdaq kabooshed. Where's the bear? Oh my God. The bear. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Wow, look at this gold drop. My God. Wow, anybody short the Nasdaq arrested? Nasdaq's down 50. S&P's, where's Diego? DL, are you crazy?
Are you crazy or just plain stupid?
Oh my God. It's 1-0 USA. Good job, P-Long. It's Christmas in July. That's the first time I said that. It's Christmas in July. This guy who bought 80s, he jumped. Free kick. Oscar, can you stop with the live cattle, please, Oscar? Oh, wow. Look at this. My fun. If you each goal USA gets, you get 5 more giveaways. Wow. Oh, my God. What a drop. Oh, my God. DL. Wow, Jeff. What a short. Oh, my God almighty. Fill the coolers. They scored? They scored? Oh, my God. Goal USA. There's 5 more, Aaron. Who scored? USA, 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 baby. Let's go. Go! How long can you do that for? Anybody? How long can anybody do that for? What a drop. Aaron, can you ban that person again on our SK? This guy Eric. He's I don't know what he's doing. He's blowing it up, Aaron. I don't know what he's doing.
Yep. Giveaway. USA scores giveaway. All right, let's see who gets it. All right. Kobop.
Oh my God, Kobop! Get in there, Kobop.
All right, let's see.
Hold on, let's get Kobop first.
Yep, there he is. All right.
Kobop. 73 degrees. I love it.
Mr. Gooch.
Mr.
Mr.
Gooch.
Gooch. Where you at? Where you at? There he is. And Melvin, 1088.
Melvin's here. It's got to be here.
Yep, there he is. Are you back up?
Me?
Yep.
How many you give away?
3.
Oh, I thought you were giving away 5.
I'm adding 5, but I'm just
Oh,
doing a couple at a
you're
time.
adding 5. Got it. All right. There goes the gold right back up.
You got to keep going at this. Keep it going.
Did anybody know who scored the goal? Anybody know who scored the goal? Man down. Uh-oh. Oh, Balujan did. Thank you. All right. Baron Trump scored the goal. Oh my God. Number 20. Thank you. Very quiet now. All right, this gold gets up to the 63.5 to 70.5 range. I would scale into shorts there. Gold? Don't ask me. These 30s are going to get kabooshed here, I think. All right. Right back up here again. Boy, why are they rallying? Jesus. Why are they rallying here? Eric is spamming. Aaron, can you take care of Eric? He's spamming us here. Aaron, I don't know if you heard me. Earth to Aaron. No, SK YouTube.
I hear you. I'm doing it now.
Thanks. I don't know why he's doing that. These 15s, when they start turning down, they should take the NASDAQ down with it. Ay. Refs need to be investigated. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, don't even get me started. Oh, yeah, don't even get me started. So, you see these ADXs are rising here on the 60. 30 is a little bit. I think this is a short up here on the NASDAQ. Uh-oh, I think my data froze. 85. Uh-oh. Something just happened. My data just froze here. Yeah, I see it. I got it. If it gets up to the 88 to 18, I look to short them. If it gets up there. You got bear flags setting up here. How is an S&P's unchanged? Give me a break. NASDAQ, S&P's, I go 40 off of that 40, 46. Why is this NASDAQ rallying? NASDAQ's only down 5. Anybody know where Micron's trading or AMD right now? You just missed the goal? Hope I get to watch a little bit of this tonight. Get out of here. Should be able to watch it, right? How much time's left? And you got, what, like 45 minutes for halftime? Right, NASDAQ, gold. Look to cover gold anywhere between 57.5 and 62.5 range. Hit the crossbar. Almost halftime. You'll probably get about 45 minutes of the game. All right. How is this S&P's valued at 40? Gold's going to drop here. Oh my God. Now, please remind, tomorrow, please watch me on the 8, 10:30 to 11:30 from my Fund the Fuse. How could they be up on the day? Because they scored the goal, right? Look to cover here anywhere between the 80 and 95 range. Drops. See if this thing drops. I know, right? Look at the gold drop. 60s blue. What? We have 60s blue on the S&Ps. Yeah. Anybody would know where Micron is right now? Probably should be able to watch the game somewhere. 1019. How about AMD? Help me out on that one. Halftime. All right, so halftime, that means 45 minutes. I should be able to capture about 40 minutes, about 35 minutes of the game, right? Jeff, what do you think? Should be able
You could always
to.
end it a little earlier if you want and catch it. No problem. We give them away all the giveaways. It's no problem.
I won't do that to the people. No. All right. Nasdaq. It's a short up here. Got the non-farm payrolls tomorrow. Yeah, no, I'll catch it with him. Yeah, I think it's going to drop. Yep. Nasdaq just dropped 10 already. S&Ps look to cover anywhere between the 38 and 40 and a half range, or 37 and a half, 40 and a half. Nasdaq is bite-sized, so main chat called a new high. Props to you. I didn't see that. Well, kudos. Yes. Why Nasdaq shot up? No idea. Maybe the 30-minute time, the 60s, but I think they're going to roll over here once these 15s start leaning over, rolling over here. It's Monday. It'll be all right. Nasdaq, look to cover again, 85 to 98 if you're short. And I was golden. I'll spend for kind of opens in 1 minute. In 1 minute, China. And let's see if we get a caboose. Trading platform, I use Interactive Broker, and I use Bloomberg. Oh, the Stadium Grill. Are you from Jupiter? Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Don't know why you say goodbye. Hello, hello. Are you from Jupiter? Anybody here from the great state of Florida or no more Trade Station? I'm trying to get maybe a third account on Trade Station, but I think it might be easier for Interactive Broker. Boom, gold. We won the war. What happened? I short this gold 70, 69 and a half, 70 up to 77. Oh, brother. Nasdaq 20 up to 60, S&Ps 42 up to 49. You say yes, say no. I don't. Who's buying this Nasdaq? Nasdaq's up 150 off the low. Gold, look to cover gold 67 to 70 and a half. Drops here. The Nasdaq, these 15s look like they want to roll over. I had a good day. Yeah. Every day you're green is a good day. Who's this? Is this Bear Trader? Is this Bear Trader? Get in there, Bear Trader. Nasdaq, look to lower your stops. What the hell's going on? Oh, gold. Buying gold like this? What, are you crazy? cover this gold anywhere between the 71 and 75 and a half, 76. Just to drop within this here. Got a pencil up here. I don't know what the hell caused this. The 30-minute and the 60-minute time frames are way overbought. How could they rally like this? Because the USA scored? You gotta be kidding me. Where's the cues? Enough is enough. Yeah. NASDAQ ran 160 off the lows. 75 above the 10 bar. So if you look at the NASDAQ, you're about 75 points above the 10 bar moving average. One minute back up here. NASDAQ. Just the cover on the short right here. Still think they're gonna. Now you're making new high. Now you're making pushing up here into these negative MACDs on the 30-minute time frame. So if you look at the 30-minute, you can see you're pushing up into these on the 60s. I'm sorry, 60s. Here, I think they're gonna drop hard. Look at this. You're pushing up into these negative MACDs here. Cal, I'm from Florida. I think these 30s are going to roll over. Look at them right here. Look at these. When these 30s start rolling over, I think they're going to get kabooshed. This valued 100 and 75, 100 and yeah. I think they're short above 50 here. 50 up to 85, 90. There goes the gold dropping. S&P should drop. If the NASDAQ can get one more push down here. Up 58. This drop. Look at the gold finally drop. Look at this. They're expecting 100,000 new jobs tomorrow. Now, if these 15s reverse to buy, there's probably a good 85% chance that during the Asia session, that the lows are in for the day, for this session. It'll stop. A minute up. I think right here was a 06 level here. Just ran out. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars. Ran 160 points. Right, this gold's starting to drop. S&P's up 3. Half. I missed my Henny. We won the war. MMCL, I'm from Jupiter, Florida. Is this the biggest bull run? I mean, in a short period of time, it is. Look at the gold drop. I think the market's going to drop here. You're $91 above the 10 bar moving average. Nothing came out here. Gold just dropped. Hopefully we get this. Who the hell's buying them up here? Mm-hmm. Looks strong. MU 1031, just Raleigh 11. Thank you. Still think they're going to roll over here. 15s, 85 overboard oscillator. Unless there's some news that came out, I don't see here. Yeah, it's well, the range was there 50 to 90. Let's see here. Looks to cover anywhere between the 45 and 65 range on this drop. If it gets it is a kaboom. People not busting accounts. It was only two. It was a short here, and then a short here. So 50 up to 90 was the second short.
Okay, let's do 3 more. Here we go. S-Pack. S-Pack. Where are you? Are you here?
I don't know how. No, I disagree, James. I disagree. If you didn't cover it down here, where was it? Down here.
I don't see you. Where are you? All right. Well, I guess we're moving on. Next. All right. That's it. $67 William. There he is. All right.
Drop.
Sama Zingfer. Sama Zingfer.
You gotta DL. If you went 50, then you go 60. You do 70. You do 80, 90, and you're scaling in. I can't do. What are you gonna do? Single lot entries in Nasdaq, right? So if you went, let's say, for example, you went, if I call the range 50 to 90, right?
Yep, Sama. There you are.
And then you go like maybe 55, 65, 75, 85, right? And you're bringing it up. So your average price should be probably around 69, just say, right?
Eli Junick. Eli Jonick.
D Hall. Apple, what are you doing that for?
Eli Jonick. Eli not here? Wow. All right, Trades, you're not the guy. Don't do that. All right, next. Jubilee Nexus. Jubilee Nexus. All right. All right. You're back up, Steven.
Okie dokie. Looking for a 25.34. Let's see if we get a. I'm still hoping for this drop. Top's got to be like 03. To cover this between the I would go 45 to 65 range for drops here, or anywhere between the 50 to 70 range, 45 to 65. Gold just dropped again here. Gold. I know QQQs are closed. I was just looking at something here. Looking at. I wanted to see this pattern from today. Need this thing to drop. Just got down to 71, 70, I think, right? Gold just got kabooshed. NASDAQ, I swear to God, sometimes it's NASDAQ. I just want to throw a chair at the NASDAQ. Yeah, every time frame, 96 overbought reading on the 15. I swear to God, this NASDAQ, we had the long, couple great shorts, that 2045 bar. We have 86 overbought reading on the 30. Unless some crazy news came out, but I don't see anything. Looking for this thing to pull in. The 10 bar comes in 100 handles lower. Gold just dropped. S&P's on that. So something must have come out because S&P's rally from 840, they went from 32 to 48. NASDAQ went from 06 up to 188. Gold just dropped. Look at this. How are they rallying like this, though? They did everything they could to defend the 30,000. All right. What time is it? See the 920 bar if it plants down. Just got down to 70. And the 15-minute time frames have a 97 overbought reading right now. I think I'm hoping it drops hard. It should. Stops 05 on this thing. If you didn't cover at 70, you got to put a 05 stop in. Then you probably have to reshort it though, but I'm hoping this thing can drop 25, 30 points here. Again, if you're short, I look to cover between the 50 and 70 range. Hit 50, 70 before. Oh, look at this gold drop. Oh my God, gold just dropped 14. This should bring it down at least, right? Well, this morning's opening was great because you had the non-confirmations on the 60-minute time frames. Now the 15-minute time frame on the NASDAQ futures reversed the buy. So pretty much that low of 29,075 should be it. I don't think you're going to test that. Anybody short that gold there? That gold just dropped 15, 14. So 80 points above the 10-bar weighted moving average here. 15s, it might be 9:30 before the 15s can start rolling over. This is still halftime, right? Still halftime. Look at this gold drop. Wow. That gold, the non-confirmations on the 30 and the 60. 675 and you should get to 65.
It's 55 minutes into the second half.
Oh, the second half started already? Sorry, Aaron, what'd you say?
I said it's 55 minutes into the second half.
Oh, look at this gold get kabooshed. I like just hovering up here like this. Hit 80, bounced off 80. 97 overbought reading. Nasdaq so freaking fugazi. I think it's going to drop. I hope so. Look at this gold. So the gold rally with it, and gold just dropped 15. Nasdaq and S&P should follow, but who knows? Gold just dropped 17. Who's buying it up here? So fugazi. Oh. 97 overbought reading here. 30-minute. It touched 70. Well, your stop is 05. If you didn't cover a 70, it stopped out if you didn't cover. I short him again here. 05 up to like 35. Gold, this is just way too much. You're 100 points above the 10 bar. I'd be short up here again. If you didn't cover at 70, and I would just reshort them again, 05 up to 35, or even up to 35. I think they're going to get killed. I do. I think they're going to get killed. The trend is your friend. Yes, that's correct. However, you're still negative. Look at gold, right? So the Nasdaq reversed the buy. So you're going to get a drop, but the lows are in. Here we go. Of course, 05. I said that's why I said to look to reshort it right away. If you didn't, I still think they're going to drop down to 65, 55 range, if not lower. I don't think so. I think here we go. Just dropped to 25 now. Of course, I knew that. And here's the gold. Gold's getting slaughtered. Look to cover anywhere between the 60 and 85 range. I think it's going to drop here pretty hard. These 15s and 30s and 5s are going to get kabooshed. Gold just dropped 17. Here we go. That's 25, 75. I knew it. Okay, I knew this. If you didn't cover them before at 70, okay, on the 50 to 80, 90 range, and you got stopped. I said that's why I said look to reshort them again. That goal was perfect, P Long, into the 30 and 60 minute. And wait till these 30s roll over on gold. Forget it. Possible red card for the United States. We have 30 minutes before this. I want to see if these 15s can start really rolling over and kabooshing them. 10 bar comes in 75 points lower. And everybody, please watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Also, NASDAQ. Look at this, back up. Communist. Got down to 80. If it gets up to the 10 to 35, 40 range, I would short it again. You have a 99 overbought reading, 05 up to 45 or 0 to 40. You got a monster bear flag setting up here on the 30-minute time frame on the NASDAQ. This is a monster bear flag on the 30-minute right here. If I can see this here. Oh, sorry. Here it goes again. This is a monster bear flag on the 30 right here. I'll just change this to the 30. This is a monster bear flag. On the wait till the, look at this 30. 96. Are you kidding me? Wait till this 30 rolls over here. And it's combined with the 15. Even worse. Gotta be an investigation into this. This NASDAQ is fugazi. What's the score of the game? 1-0 or 2-0? Why are we down a man? We got a red card? That's not good. So we started the night here. They rallied 145 points. I still think they're going to get killed off these 30-minute time frames. All right, if you short this at 05, I'd probably look to cover anywhere between the 70 and 90 range. Not lower, but let's just see. It's like a 747 floating in midair with no fuel. Gold just dropped 18. Gold drops 18, and the S&Ps are still hovering up here. Go figure. Oh wow, gold just dropped. Look at this gold, 21 down. Nasdaq's going to get hit here. Gold's S&P's are going to turn down. Gold just dropped 21. S&P, there we go. These 15s have got to roll over here, and 30s on the Nasdaq. Yeah, I see bearish divergence. Look at the 30 and 60-minute time frames. The 30s, the 60-minute time frames, you're pushing up here into these negative MACDs on the 60. Plus you got the 30. Look at this. Where you going here? Plus you got the 30s overbought. This, I think they're going to get killed. Look at this gold. Look at this gold. God forbid Danny trades. Are you crazy?
All right, let's do another 3.
Want to do the wheel? Do the wheel.
TF
Tom Frank?
5263.
Look at this gold. It can, but it's going to catch up. The price will catch up to it, David. Market's always
Okay,
strong.
okay. I don't need everybody to do 10987. I got it. I'm keeping track. No need.
What's this? 4, 8? What are all these numbers?
All right, next.
He's not here?
Nope. Marco Polo.
Marco Polo. Oh, no. Anybody can tell me where AMD is trading right now, if they have an idea? Advanced Micro. Not that it matters because of the employment number tomorrow.
Hey, there we go. All right, there's one. Jose, keep track of them. Peach, like ADG. J, ADJ.
Nasdaq is so fugazi.
There he is. I think it's Apple, I guess. 1009.
That's Apple. He or she's always here.
There it is. All right.
How many is that tonight?
12. You're up.
Oh, please die. I'd be sure. I would be short up here. There's no way in the world I'd be long up here. No way. Can't ignore these. You can't ignore these cell divergences, and you can't ignore this overbought reading here. Both on S&P, NASDAQ. Gold short? No. Guys are criminals. Look at this. Hope overnight they drop 800. I just want to see this thing drop down to like 30,000, like 165 before I leave here. Then it probably set up a long on the 15. A good 60, 70 point drop. I really do think these 60-minute time frames, even if they reverse positive, are going to turn down. And then you set up the long on the 15. I still think that they're going to drop. Apple, congratulations, you won. Congratulations. I have no idea. At 19 minutes here. I just want to see a 50, 60 point drop off these 30 minutes. I don't know if you're going to have enough time. See it break 200 first. Gold right back down. Oh, I would love to see 120. Oof. Well, I don't know. I mean, it could, but regardless of the fact that the lows of 29,952 are in. think the acceleration comes if and when we break 200. Break 200, and I think it's really a cabooshin. Then I think you got the 30-minute time frames rolling over. All right. I think that if they break the 200 handle, then I think they can accelerate right down to like 85, 75, 65, because these 30s are really going to accelerate here. Here we go. Just short above, just keep lowering your stops here. I think they're going to break. Gold just dropped here. Looks like gold just got cabooshed here. It's hit 200 and bounced.
They might have scored again. Hold on.
Who, US?
They might have. They're going to check right now.
They're saying offsides.
We'll see. We'll see.
I'm not delayed. They scored? Come on, look at this. I hit 200 and they bounce. Come on, man. Such nonsense. Look at this, 200. I still think they're going to drop, though, but. Offside, no goal. Can't believe they hit 200. I said if they break 200, they're going to kill them. Of course, they rally 15. What about an ADX when decreased? When the ADXs, well, the ADXs are rising here. Okay, the ADXs are rising, but you're not getting any pullbacks. So the S&P is reversed to buy, the NASDAQ reversed to buy. You want to get pullbacks, though. That's what you're looking for. Plus, the 15s and 30s are extremely overbought. It's a goal now? What happened? I thought it was negated. Had a free kick? Well, Aaron, it's 5 more. You open up Pandora's box. More accounts. Wow. Look at this freaking thing just rallied.
I'm happy. Go!
Goal.
Let's go. 5 more counts. Let's go. Go!
If it decreases, so an ADX can only do one of two things. It could point downward or it can go upward. Okay.
We're doing 5. Let's go. We're doing some more right now. Let's go. All right. Gurry, 84X.
Curry, you said?
Gurry, Guri.
Oh, I've seen him here before. These oscillators are so overbought. 95, 95, 97. Oh my God. Not me. Not me.
That's right. I did call it. I told you. I said, watch you score with the red card. I did call it. Let's go.
But they had a free kick?
Yeah, right in front of the box. All right,
Okay.
Did Gur show up or not? No? All right. I'm redoing. We got only 10 more minutes. Let's go. System override.
Freaking Nasdaq.
System override. If you're not here, you're going to go away.
Watch this thing drop afterwards here.
There you are. All right. Keep him up.
How many we got left?
I don't know. I got to count. Jack Skeletron official.
Oh, he's here all the time. Bosnia coach got a yellow card. The whole world got a yellow card.
Yep, here. Next. True, 6668.
Watch this thing drop like around 10:15, 10:30. This thing drop about 60, 70 handles on the NASDAQ off these 30s. 30s are really powerful. When they start kicking in, look out below.
True is not here. Are you here? All right. I'm going to give you 20 seconds and you're done. America. US. Oh, there he is.
Who?
All right.
Which one?
True.
True. Short up there in the NASDAQ. Just look to cover between the 90 and 10 range.
Marty Malone. Back to the future.
Gold just rallied 10. Break 200. Break 200. Please break 200. Please break 200. Just dropped 28 on the NASDAQ.
True. I got you. Enough already.
Who?
No, nobody. I don't worry about it. I got it.
You
All
think
right,
it drops
Marty
to
Malone, where are you?
If it takes out 70, I mean, if it takes out 200, it should go right to 83 and then maybe 75. It just hit 200 again. Look at this thing. Look at this, you communist.
Right. It is not the same. If it is not the same name, it does not count. We already know the rules. Everybody knows the rules. It literally says sign up with your YouTube name. Next.
Ban the cheaters.
The
I agree.
estimated profit.
Hey, Jeff, there you go. Congratulations, Jeffrey. Estimated profit. Estimated profit. You there?
Come on, man. Use your chance.
Jeff, you there? I think he's here.
Yep, there he is.
All right, break 200. Here we go. If you're short, again, you could look to cover anywhere between the 85 and 05. Congratulations, Jeff.
Roma Vertex. Roma Vertex.
Oh, Roma's here all the time. I see Roma. Look how they're defending this 200. I'm going to kill myself. Uh-oh.
Is he here? Is he here? Is he here? There he is. All right. Come
Is
on.
the
How
game-
many is that, everybody? We're almost there.
I think 2 more you got to do.
Yep, 2 more. Coin or Click Coin Collective.
Oh, click coin. Look how they're holding this NASDAQ above 200. You just don't want these 5-minute time frames to turn up on the NASDAQ. I'm hoping for, look how I really love to see them get down to the 75.85 or 85.90 range. Set up the 5-minute, but who knows?
Is that Click Coin? I don't see him. Am I missing him? I don't see him. I don't see him.
Bitcoin, are you here?
Oh, wow. All right. Well, you snooze, you lose.
Not here?
Forbidden Shenanigans.
Oh, he's always here. Forbidden Shenanigans. He's always here. Bitcoin Collective's always here too. I don't get it.
Yep, Forbidden.
All right, I want to thank my funded futures. I want to thank Aaron. I want to thank Matt, Aaron, Luke. I want to thank all of you for being here. Okay, and oh, here goes the gold dropping. Wow. Please watch me tomorrow during the 10:30, 11:30 for my funded futures. If these 30s and 15-minute time frames kick in, I'll be watching it all night now. Either way, I think if you get an oversold condition on the 15, you're going to have to buy them on the NASDAQ. Fair trader, thank you.
All right. We'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Was 44 here? Wait, was 44 here? I missed it. I couldn't see. Just give me a yes.
Here we go. Here goes the NASDAQ. Here we go. Broke 200. Here we go. I would be looking to buy back here between 85, 80,
Thank you.
85,
All right.
and 05. Again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, I stream every day, Monday through Friday from 8:30 to 4. Please text me your full name and email. 914-500-7484. I also have a podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Also, I'll be here tomorrow night, but tomorrow from 10:30 to 11:30. Finally, NASDAQ broke 200. I'd like to see them get absolutely slaughtered. 10 bar moving average comes in around 60, so that would be nice if it got down there. All right. Finally breaking off the highs, just dropped about 30, but I do think any push down is going to set up a long on the 5. One more push up, then the pull back on the 15. All right. Have a great night, everybody. Thank you, Aaron. I'm going to go home and watch the game with Henny. God bless you. God bless our troops. And God bless the United States of America. I'll see you all tomorrow.
Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candles.